Welcome to the channel, my friends. I've got a great show for you today. I'm going to review a product that I use routinely and I've used it for a number of years. I just wanted to share it with you in case you've never tried it before, but it's my all-to go-to spice that I use on a lot of the cooking that I do. And I just want to get into it a little bit here and just show you some of the benefits and some of the things I use it on, and just give you some ideas on if it's a spice that you'd like. So hey, let's get into it. Okay guys, I want to talk about this spice right here, Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning, an ancient Greek formula. And I've used this for a number of years, and I tell you what, it's probably the most universal spice you could ever have in your cupboard. Just to kind of give you an idea, there's over 13 different ingredients in this shaker bottle here. And just to kind of give you an idea, there's salt, black pepper, cornstarch, garlic, there's oregano, and let's see, corn soy protein, sugar, onion powder, spice, parsley, and 5 other spices. So like I said, it has a lot of different spices in it. By all means, one of my favorite spices to use. You can use this on steak, seafood, chicken, pork. I've done all that. Like it says, turkey, hamburgers, seafoods, vegetables. I've used it on vegetables too, definitely. You know, I've tried it on egg. Not my favorite on the egg, but you can even put it on eggs, I know that. But shrimp, cod. I like it on my steaks a lot. That's probably one of my favorites for steak. I do enjoy it on chicken as well. I've had it on the shrimp and, like I said, the vegetables. But if you are looking for a spice, a new spice that maybe you haven't tried, you better look for this one in your local store. I know they have a couple different sizes. This one's the 8-ounce container. They have one, I believe, that's bigger than this, or maybe it's smaller than this. So keep that in mind, but just look for this guy right here. It's really good. I'm going to give you an idea what it looks like. I'm going to shake some out on a plate here. Okay guys, I just kind of poured some out here so you can get a good look at it. As you can see, there's a variety of color, kind of some green to it. Obviously maybe some of that's some of the parsley, but it's got a nice, it's definitely got more of a salt based flavor to it. You can taste the oregano, pepper, the garlic, and I use it pretty aggressively on my food. Now it all depends on what you're eating. Pork tends to be saltier, so you don't want to go crazy on pork because it's already salty anyways, but to me this adds a lot of great flavor. So just to kind of give you my final thoughts on the Cavender's seasoning, if there's only one spice you could ever have in your kitchen, you'd want this one right here, because it covers all your areas and it's very universal, and you use it on all types of food. So overall, I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 for sure. It's one of my top spices that I use consistently. I mean, a lot of the spices that I have, and I have lots of types, this one is the one I use the most. So just wanted to share that with you in case you've never had it before. Give it a try. You can pick it up at almost any store. So hey, if you like the content, please give me a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. I got more great videos coming for you. I appreciate you watching and supporting me. And thank you, my friends. Take care. We'll see you again soon. Bye.